Hi, this is Alicia, and something's missing. That's right, my counterpart Kelly is missing. She went down to the people's party, and I was going to sleep. But you know what happened? When I got upstairs on the 12th floor and turned towards my room, you know what I saw? I saw this. Serenity Suite. That's right. I couldn't resist. I had to go in. And you know what I found? Chocolate. Bars and bars and bars and bars of chocolate. And I couldn't resist. But even better than chocolate, I met the most amazing bloggers with the most inspiring stories, all talking to one another, helping each other learn as much as they could about social media. And that's what this conference has been all about. It has been great, about great people, learning great things with amazing brands. So if you ever thought about coming to this conference, stop thinking about it and do it, because it is really an experience not to be missed. So I'm off to bed now, because tomorrow is another full day at Block Her 13. Thanks for listening. Night night.